Okay, hello everyone. Today we've got another package from Shopee. It is the Paint Zoom, which I bought for 614 pesos including shipping. It came wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic, so let's open this up. Okay, there's another box inside. It's again wrapped in an even more thicker bubble wrap plastic. So I like the fact that the seller actually took the time and effort to wrap it in this way, considering how sometimes when it comes to shipping, the handling of the package is not very, what you call this, gentle. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay, so we've got the gun as well as the container. We've got the tube, and we've got the actual motor itself. That this is, I do believe, a harness or belt. We've got a funnel, and this, I do believe, is a tube that goes inside the gun. So the motor itself also came wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic, so that's actually again a nice precaution. Thank you for that. Okay, so paint spray gun, input 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, maximum 650 watts, made in China. Okay, so it also came with a manual, so that's basically everything that's in the box. Okay, so let's try to test this. I'll be right back. Okay, so by the way, before we plug this in, just in case you're wondering, the cord length is about a meter and 1/4 long. It's actually quite short, so if you intend to use this, you need to buy or to plug it in an extension cord. So let's plug it in. Let's perform a quick test of the motor. That's actually nice. It's got some power to it. Just to show you a demonstration, we'll try to blow that piece of paper away. It blew the manual as well as the scissors. Okay, I will also show you a much more closer look of the gun itself. This is the gun. It's obviously made of plastic. Okay, before we test this, I just want to show you, to give you a little comparison with this, a typical spray gun that is powered by an air compressor and the Paint Zoom. And right from the start, I can tell you now that we might encounter problems when it comes to airflow. See, this one, you've got an adjustment for the airflow. See? Now, when it comes to spray painting, controlling the airflow is actually very important. In this case, there is no way to control the airflow. As soon as you turn on the machine, that's it. So basically, there's no way for you to control the airflow. See? That's actually another problem with that. In case you're wondering why my compressor is not blowing that hard, because I've got the regulator on the compressor set at only a very low PSI. So I'll be right back. I'll try to check if I've got some leftover paint. Okay, so before we begin, let's just do a quick comparison with this spray gun that is powered by an air compressor. By the way, just for your information, I'm using automotive paint, acrylic paint. So I don't know if you can see that. See, this is the advantage when it comes to being able to adjust the airflow. So let's try the paint zoom. I'll be right back. So okay, so here's the paint zoom. Again, just for information, the same paint with which I use the conventional power sprayer. So let's turn this thing on. That's actually very powerful. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually working. So it's actually working. I'm sorry I pressed the pause button. See? Let's try it. Let's try this. Hold on. Okay, so I would say that it's working. Let me turn this thing off because it's very loud, but it's actually working. So hold on, I'll get rid of this. Okay, so we saw it actually working. Now the question that is on my mind is it gonna put up with thinner, you know? Yeah, I mean, if it's not gonna melt. Let's clean this up. Okay, so let's put the excess paint back in the container. We can still use that. Let's clean this with thinner. Okay. Okay, but let's clean it with the rug. So actually it's holding up quite fine. Okay. Let's clean this side. Let's clean it here. Let's clean our hands. Let's clean the gun. Usually what I would do is, which I will try to do now, let's plug this in. Okay, try to do that. I hope we will have the same result with the conventional, which I will show you in a little while as well. By the way, just in case you're wondering, this knob right here is the one that would control either the spray is going to spray that way or this way. See, so if you're going to put that in that direction, the spray is going to go like this, vertical, and if you're going to do it this way, so the spray is going to go like that, horizontal. So we've got thinner inside, so let's try to flush the paint out that's inside here with thinner. That is the problem when it comes to that. However, with this kind of spray paint, say for example, you can adjust we have actually got paint inside. We can adjust the airflow. We can adjust the amount of paint. Then we can just let I don't know if you cannot see that. Hold on. So anyway, that's it. This is the 614 pesos paint zoom from Shopee. Now, is it worth it? Well, I'm gonna say that it is for 614 pesos. Is it going to last? I hope so. The motor's got a little bit of heat on it, but it's not too hot. No, if it's going to last for maybe one project, 2 or 3 projects, then I'm gonna say that for 600 pesos, then it's worth it. And plus, you can use this motor for a blower. So imagine that, 600 pesos, and you've got this. And as far as I'm concerned, it's very cheap. And just in case you're wondering why did I buy this, I've already got a conventional spray gun that is powered by an air compressor. Well, actually, I did not really buy this for myself. I bought this from a friend of mine who lives in a place that COD is not available. So anyway, like I always say in my other videos, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I affiliated with PaintZoom or any other source that sells this item. I bought this item with my own money. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. By the way, sorry if this video is very long. Anyway, thank you.